Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to enlarge keyboard in your Android phone. So at first open keyboard. Now after open the keyboard, tap on this gear icon to open up your keyboard settings. Now from here you can customize your keyboard and you can change any settings as you want. If you want to enlarge or resize your keyboard, just scroll down and then go to size and transparency. Now from here you can change your keyboard size. Just touch and hold it and you can set any size as you like. And you can see it's the maximum size. Then tap on done. Now just open up your keyboard again. And you can see keyboard size has been changed successfully. If you go to keyboard settings again, then go to same settings again. If you want to set default size, just tap on reset, then tap on done. And that's it. You have successfully enlarged keyboard in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.